Hey, this is Gavin with CGI Detailing. Just want to come out here and make a quick video talking about the white window trim that you might have on your Oliver travel trailer. As you can see over time, being outside, especially environments like here in Florida where it's very humid, this white window trim tends to develop these black spots on it. So as you can see on the surface, it looks very dirty, but even after cleaning it up, you'll be left behind with these black spots here. Very hard to remove without harsh chemicals that are going to dry out the trim and possibly damage the rest of your trailer. So a service we started to offer is replacing this white trim with black trim that doesn't show the spots, and it's much easier to clean, as we also coat the trim when we put it in. So let's go over that process real quick. It's a simple process. What we'll do is we'll start by removing the white trim here. So it just pops out just like this. As you can see, underneath there is building up a lot of dirt and everything too. So that's why it's important to clean out the window tracks here. So that's what we're going to do as part of the service, is clean out these tracks before we install the black trim. So I just want to come out here and say that, and after we take all these out, we'll clean out the tracks, and then we'll show how we put the black trim back in. Okay, so we got all the old trim taken out. We've actually been ceramic coating this trailer over the past 2 days. So we've done a lot of work to the rest of it, but we got all these cleaned out as well. So now we have our black trim. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. So what you wanna do is you wanna make sure you get in there as close to that side as possible and kind of push towards that side as you're putting it down. And the reason for this is over time, these window trim pieces will shrink in the sun. So this will allow you to have the maximum amount of life out of your trim as it starts to shrink. So you won't have big gaps after a couple years. So when you get to these corners, you're gonna want to pull down, that way you don't have any gaps here in the edge. So keep going in. We'll do this all the way around. And you might need a step if you're not very tall. But the biggest thing is you have to make sure it's tight in there and you're pushing the entire time. And this trim here, we actually put a coat of ceramic coating on it to help keep it protected from the sun. So that'll give you a little bit more lifespan out of it as well. Get up to this corner here. We're gonna get our little cutters. And you wanna push it right up to where you know you're gonna get enough room. And then you're gonna come in here and cut it just a little bit, just to give you an idea of where the end's gonna be. And that way you can pull it out and you can find your cut right there. And then you just go along the same line, cut it like that. And then same thing, you just push it up in there. And then there you go. So we got this one in, we're gonna do the rest of them. This black trim really adds a good look to the trailer. It's super sleek, and you don't have to deal with all those black spots that gets in the white trim over time. So what you can do to keep these nice is make sure you're cleaning them often, and you can apply a ceramic maintenance spray such as Ceramic Shield to keep them protected from the sun and make sure they don't get as dirty as easily.